Sappy! We're back, baby.
Where's Pat?
Guys, we normally do dad jokes, but today we're doing your mama jokes.
Heyo.
It's gonna be me and Matt.
Hey, sorry. I actually got some guests to bring through as well. It's Seth's mum and Matt's mum.
No way.
Come on in, welcome. How you doing? Come on through. How you Welcome to the table. I'm gonna give you. Lovely to meet you both.
Lovely to meet you.
Can't wait to see this.
Oh my fucking god, dude. This is so good.
I don't want to do this.
You're gonna do this.
I am so fucking excited for this. Seth's mum, like, you were supposed to be a doctor.
I just want to let you know I am so sorry for what you're about to hear. It's not gonna be good.